Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get an Acorn plug. First, accurately identify the exact specifications required for your application. This involves carefully measuring the opening where the plug will be inserted, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Consider the material and finish that best suits your project's aesthetic and functional needs. Knowing these details upfront will save you time and effort in the long run, guiding you to the correct product. Once you have your specifications, the next step is sourcing the right Acorn plug. Specialty hardware stores often carry a diverse range of unique fasteners. Online retailers also offer extensive options, sometimes with better pricing. Always double-check product descriptions and customer reviews to ensure the plug meets your exact requirements. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance if you're unsure about compatibility or material suitability. With your Acorn plug in hand, installation is straightforward. Begin by ensuring the receiving hole is clean and free of any obstructions. For a more permanent fixture, a small dab of appropriate adhesive can be applied to the plug's shaft. Carefully align the plug and gently tap it into position using a rubber mallet. This method ensures a secure fit without damaging the plug or the surrounding material, providing a clean finish. Maintaining your Acorn plug ensures its longevity and continued performance. Regularly inspect it for any signs of wear, such as cracks or loosening, especially if it's in a high-traffic area. A simple wipe-down with a mild cleaning solution will keep it looking its best. Remember, a well-maintained plug contributes to the overall integrity of your project. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including a special offer on durable socks and other useful items.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.